and then wipe it. Wipe it, wipe it, and then wipe it from the bottom upwards. Hi, my name is Noe Surnadaga. I'm from Los Angeles, Russia, and today in this video, this is for only to my fellow Russian people. Okay, so I live. I'm not living. I'm staying here in the Philippines for quite a couple of days already, specifically in Mindanao, and I'm staying with my friend's house here in the remote area of Gutalac, Zamboanga del Norte, if I'm not mistaken. And I've learned so much from my friend. Let me show you what I've learned. Okay? So yesterday, we went to the jungle, and then I feel like I need to poop. Okay? And then I asked my friend, hey bro, I need to poop. But he told me that he didn't bring wipes and tissue. But he suggests me to use some alternatives, wipes or tissue. Okay? So let me show you what this is to my fellow Russian people. When you visit in the Philippines and you went to the jungle and you feel that you need to poop, so instead of using tissue or wipes, we have some alternatives here. Okay, we have some alternatives here, so hear me out. Okay, I'll show it to you. Okay, so to all my fellow Russian people, if you went to the Philippines, if you visited the Philippines and you went to the jungle and you don't have any tissue or wipes and you feel like you need to poop, all you have to do is this. This is very common here, and my friend taught me this. Okay, so when you feel like you need to poop, all you need to do is, after you poop, you grab some leaves of a plant, specifically hagonoy, because hagonoy has a soft leaves. Okay, but if you don't see hagonoy around, you can grab some any leaves. Okay, so all you need to do is you grab the hagonoy, and then from the bottom up to the edge, you pull it up until the leaves, until you get the leaves, and then after that, soften it with your hands, and then you need to position yourself like this. I'll show you. Okay, like this. Then wipe it from your ass upwards. Okay, like this, upward, and then throw it away. But if there is leftovers, then if you are not 100% satisfied, you can do it again. Okay, grab from the bottom up to the edge, pull the leaves, and then soften it with your hands, and then position like this, and then wipe it upwards, and then throw it away until there will be no leftovers. Okay, so to all of my Russian fellow Russians, I hope you understand my video. So next time when you visit the Philippines, I know you know how to do it. Okay,